Just got back from a 5.5-mile run, and I've got some advice for you. For those of you that are as neurotic as I am when it comes to setting goals and achieving big things. So it's not often that I drink enough to get drunk. But when I do, I always go for a hangover run the next day. And I do it for 2 reasons. Number 1, punishment. If I'm gonna drink so much that I'm gonna be hungover the next day and it's gonna affect my day, I am going to force myself to go out and run. But it's awesome, believe it or not, because you actually end up sweating out a lot of those toxins, and you end up actually feeling better than if you just lay around all day, eat a quarter pounder with cheese, and feel miserable. So I highly recommend you try it sometime. When you drink enough to be hungover, go for a hangover run the next day and see how it makes you feel.